Alright, we are in the basement of the Hotel Royal William in Quebec City, Quebec. And you're probably thinking when you see this basement that this is a modern hotel with modern elevators, but look at this. Still got an original Otis black button, still in touch from when I was last here 5 years ago. Let's call it. And here it is. Let's get a cab view. Very nice cab. Hello. Otis Cito. Let's go to 4. Alpin-Otis. Here we are on 4. No classic leveling. There's your old Otis interlock. Goes out into the hall. Can't really hear the relays. SS. Very nice cabs. Well, cab that is. And look, there's so many Julians here. Alright, we're gonna take this up for another ride. For phone. Back up to 4. Here we are on 4. Love the sound of the door operator. It kind of reminds me of the Citrus Tower a little bit. We'll head back down to SS. Love these buttons. And we'll get a close-up view of the buttons. Newer Otis black button fixtures. They are in excellent shape as well. We're gonna give this another spin, because why not? Four. And we'll go back down to SS. We'll just get a look at the buttons as we go down and watch the arrow go out. Here we are in the basement. Very fast and smooth, both for the age and the amount of floors. And we'll end the video on RC. And here we are on RC. And there it goes. That'll be it.